Hey, good day everyone. I'm super stoked to be bringing you this impact wrench. It's a 1/2-inch high torque power impact wrench for car or your house. Hey, this is starting off right. Got a hard case with this thing. Got some storage up here. You can put your drill bits, some Phillips flathead bits, star bits, you name it, Allen head bits, Allen wrenches. Got a couple latches in the front. Some padding on the inside of this. Oh yeah, look at this. It comes with 2 batteries too. This is awesome. Ooh, this thing is heavy duty. Wow. 1/2-incher right there. Right, so it comes with the charger. Comes with some sockets too. Awesome. These are all metric sockets. Some O-rings and some internals here. Check out these batteries. 2 of these lithium batteries. One of the cool features about these batteries is that 1, you can charge it right on the charger here. 2, if you have one of these laying around, look at this. You can charge it this way as well. This doesn't come with the kit, but that's okay because it comes with the charger. But a lot of people have these laying around, so it's nice to have 2 ways to charge it if you need it. Okay, there's what it looks like charging, and there's what the green and red lights mean. There's a look at the deep impact sockets that come with it. So size 14, 17, 18, 19, 21, and 22. There's a look at it, the battery. So here, it's nice when you pull the trigger, see those lights? Those lights come on, that's great. And you have directions here, so this is, if you hook that, push that to the right, that's on. Push that to the left, it's off. All right, this is great for putting on and taking off lug nuts as well. Here it is, we're gonna take this one off. There we go. And we can go ahead and put it back on in a hurry. These are nice. Okay, I just switch this to the right. One of the cool things, you can buy these little adapters here, 1/2-inch drive, then you can use them for your standard bits. So we'll pop this on, check this out. Now we just turned this impact driver into a cordless drill. This thing drives screws like no other. Holy moly, that worked good. See how good it'll drive this lag bolt in here. Okay, there's my setup. Let's try it. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Well, that's sufficient, but let's go all the way with it. It worked so good, drove it all the way in flush. Well, this thing drove the lag bolt in almost too good. Of course, I wanted to see how deep it could go, but it'll really drive it in there, so much so you won't be able to get it out. Just love this thing, very happy with it, and highly recommend it. I'm going to use this thing a lot. Great impact driver. Thanks for watching, everybody.